Welcome back to another video, and this time it is a small travel vlog. This video was taken a bit earlier when I was in Riyadh, and it is all about a Skybridge experience. This Skybridge experience is on the top of Kingdom Tower in Riyadh. This trip started on a curiosity to know what is there above and just to enjoy the sky view of Riyadh city from there. So let's see what is there above. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe by pressing the red button below. Now we are leaving from our house to Kingdom Tower and the time is 4:45. So now we are here near Kingdom Tower and the time is 5:05. There was a little traffic and it took around 20 minutes drive. Going for basement parking now. Now we are inside and this is the basement floor. So let's go to the ground floor. And here is the ground floor of this building. The Skybridge Entry area is on first floor, so let's go there. So this is the place and it is on a separate section here. So let's enter inside. Here inside there is a ticket counter and they charge tickets for me and my husband but not for my daughter. And ticket charge is 60 plus VAT per head. We have to use 2 lifts to reach there and now we are entering to the first lift. This lift stops here at 77th floor. Now we are moving to the second lift. Here in each corner we can see their staffs. They are here to guide us and their hospitality is really very nice. In this corridor there are a lot of pictures showing the construction of Kingdom Tower. Here is the second lift. Ninth floor and we are at the top. finally we are here in the Skybridge at the top of Kingdom Tower. It looks exactly like a normal bridge with center part little elevated. So let's walk along this bridge and see how it is. Here is the centermost point of this bridge, a bit elevated part, and here you can see photographers standing in the right side. If you want, they will take photos for you, and the charge is 20 Riyal. So here is the other end of the Skybridge. Now I'll show the outside view. Now the time is 5:30. We choose this time to come here because we can enjoy the view both in night and in daylight. And I also wanted to see the sky view of lights covering the city. If you watch from here, you can see the other famous skyscraper in Riyadh, that is Faisalia Tower. Sorry, it is not that visible in screen. This is what which I told earlier, which I want to see. The city is completely covered with lights now. The same view is much more beautiful at night, and that you can see in this video later. And this is how it looks at night. So these are the things which you can see from here. You can take photos, you can enjoy the views outside, and you can have a walking experience on this Skybridge. So we are moving out by winding up our Skybridge experience here. So let's go back to the same lift. Okay, now we are going back to home. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do share with your friends and relatives. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe by pressing the red button below. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.